Jai Hind, ladies and gentlemen. Today I get Sagma. I am here to give a lecture on the topic national integration. National integration is above all, and it is beneficial and prosperous for any country. First of all, I want to tell that national integration is the bond and the togetherness of the people despite their caste, religion, region, gender, and all. National integration has a broader aspects. I'm very happy that we Indians have that in us. First of all, being secular, that giving importance to the every religion is one of the aspects of national integration. This bondage of being integrated in a one that is Indian is a great boon for our country, India. In such circumstances, people forget their religion, caste, creed, gender, and all. They have one uniqueness. That is, they are all are equal to each other, and have a greater visions in their life, and that they work with that visions. For national integration for any country is very important. It leads the country to the roads of the prosperity, to the roads of development, to the roads of peace. So national integration is very important in all the aspects. If any country, if any states, if any group is not following this type of bondage, that group, that country, or the state, or the nation will face the disparity, discrimination among the people, and the very devastating, violent across the nations. If integration of the people will be as a human beings as a one, then there will be no war. There will be development based on the humanity. So there will be no heinous crimes. There will be peace and prosperity. In our nation, at all places, the national integrity is taught. Being a cadet of NCC, I'm also taught the lesson of national integrity. We feel that we are one in a one thread, being as an Indian. So it is a great trait of one's personality, being integrated in a one thread of unity. So there are a lot of cases of violence has been happened in the history, and that is because of sometimes based on the caste, sometimes based on the religion, sometimes based on the gender. If national integrity will be worshipped by each and every citizens, then there will be no such violences. The thousands and lakhs of the peoples are sometimes murdered, sometimes killed because of sometimes discrimination, because of sometimes reason, sometimes religion, and all. So these are the some uh, some small aspects on which they used to kill each other, they used to murder each other. But if we think at the broader broaden aspects like national integrity as integrating all the humankind as one, then there will be no such things. Many countries are are run uh, are running wars between their neighboring countries and all. Some countries are like that, in which the civil wars are going inside their country. In recent times, Ethiopia crisis has happened. In that, a Nobel laureate president, all the peoples were expecting that the if a person, if a if a president who is a Nobel laureate, who is the peace loving, then the country will bring the peace, and that person will bring the peace and prosperity in the nation. But it happened that now the civil war is going on in that country between a state and union, a state and that country. So it is one of the dangerous signs of the bad relation of a state and the governmental. If the integrity will be would have been there, then there would have not been such a crisis, such a violence at a larger level. In that country, the central government has ordered to bombard on that state, on their people only. So if in a state the the union will bombard, then the the people of their own nation will die. So based on the some small aspects, the people are coming like this. If that can be solved with the talks, because it has it has been it has been verified, it has been testamented that the talks brings peace. Even wars, even the great um, attacks and the major disputes are solved by the talks. So as people are talking, the treaties are signed, and the peace again emerged. So because of these all aspects, integrity need to brought, and we should worship the national integrity and the visions of the great leaders who has a clear visions to mm, to bring all the nation under this umbrella. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.